देयर इज दिस वीडियो चैट, देयर इज दिस वीडियो। भाई ये मेरी रिकमेंडेशन में बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है गाइस। ये वीडियो का नाम है आई स्पेंड 48 आवर ऑन द डार्क वेब एंड फॉर सम रीजन मेरी रिकमेंडेशन में ये आ ही जा रही है, आ ही जा रही है, आ ही जा रही है एंड मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं इसको देखूं। आर यू गाइस रेडी? देखें इसको, चलो।
Drugs,
Same,
scams,
है ना?
weapons. I even saw a beheading. Holy shit. That's
भाई
crazy.
बहुत फास्ट हो गई
I guess the only thing I'm worried about is, I don't know, how do you think Achina's gonna take it?
भाई। ये तो पूरी अंग्रेजी में है भाई ये वीडियो तो।
China, do you have a minute?
भाई यूट्यूबर्स के इतने अच्छे ऑफिसेस होते हैं चैट। भाई इन सब के इतने अच्छे ऑफिस कैसे है? मेरा ऑफिस इतना अच्छा क्यों नहीं है गाइस? Yes, what's up? I'm good man. How are you?
So, we had a wild idea for the next AV video. We were thinking that we could send you off into the dark web. You know, have you explore it for like 48 hours and show the audience what's out there.
Is that even legal?
It's legal. I mean, I guess as long as you don't do anything illegal.
Basically.
But
Like, don't do anything, like, just don't do it.
Is it legal to go to dark web chat by the way? Is it legal to go to dark web? Chat, is it legal? No, it's not illegal to access the dark web. We are doing this today chat. आज हम on stream करेंगे chat. On stream dark web जाएंगे.
Illegal shit.
what if we
Like,
make
that's all.
this
Sorry.
video and influence our audience to go to the dark web and they end up in places we don't want them to? Then
I don't know. These kinds of educational videos, they usually have the opposite effect. So maybe we could take the risk and I don't know. Just I don't think our audience is dumb enough that they're gonna go to the dark web and get themselves into trouble.
Not that easy. I'll just go to new private window with Tor. Right? New private window with Tor. And मैं dark web पे चला जाऊंगा। समझ रहे हो तुम?
okay, I don't mind doing the video, but are we sure they won't?
Okay. अच्छी लग रही है वीडियो।
Alright, I want you to try something out, okay? Go to your Google account settings and look for the option that lets you monitor your security breaches. Because
Okay.
chances are your information has been leaked somewhere in the dark web.
What?
And if your data indeed was breached, like my information was, then you have to watch this video till the end. You see, for the longest time, I've been very fascinated by the concept of the dark web. And by fascinated, I also mean a little bit unsettled because all I have heard is that the most terrible bits of humanity can be found neatly organized within the strands of the dark web. Drugs, weapons, human trafficking, God knows what else could be down there. We'd been told that it's definitely a place to stay away from, and naturally, that made all of us all the more curious, so we did our thing, dove deep into it. And what we learned was that we knew very little about all this. You see, the most
तो चैट, क्या डार्क वेब का पूरा गूगल सर्च इंजन टाइप का कुछ एक अलग जगह होती है? हाउ डज इट वर्क? आई मीन, इज इट अ डिफरेंट वेबसाइट चीज या बिल्कुल डिफरेंट ब्राउजर? हाउ डू यू एक्सेस लाइक इस डार्क वेब को? हाँ, या कुछ सीक्रेट वेबसाइट्स होती हैं लाइक यू नो जो तुम्हें सिर्फ इनवाइट ओनली तुम्हारी आईपी पे ही लॉग इन होगी, समथिंग लाइक दैट। हाँ, या बट इज जस्ट नॉट क्रोम की वीडियो सर्च का आ गया। अच्छा, टॉप ब्राउजर तो मैं जानता हूँ।
accessible and unexplored territories known to man are space, the oceans, and also the internet. It is literally so unbelievably vast and filled with so many interesting tidbits. And
तुम जानते हो एक फनी चीज क्या विद द इंटरनेट? राइट नाउ 50% ऑफ इंटरनेट इज बॉट, यानी 50% ऑफ द इंटरनेट इज एक्चुअली, मतलब मोर देन 50% इज एक्चुअली मैनेज्ड बाय बॉट्स। तो इन फ्यूचर एक्चुअली में जो कमेंट्स एंड लाइक यू नो जो लोग इंटरनेट पे होंगे रियल नहीं होंगे, वो सारे बॉट्स ही काम कर रहे होंगे एंड इट्स अ रियल थिंग। इसी को बोलते हैं डेड इंटरनेट थ्योरी, अगर तुमने उन्हें देखा हो तो।
today, we're gonna take you through all of it. From what the internet really is to why this sinister dark web was created in the first place. And finally, we are gonna go as far into the dark web as we legally can so that you never have to.
Okay.
So when we started to go down the rabbit hole, the very first door was just, what the hell is the internet? Like, have you guys ever wondered where the internet exists? Or how your floating little phone can somehow send a text message to someone all the way in Japan? It's pretty simple actually. Stay with me. So your phone has a Wi-Fi chip in it, and its main function is to decode the radio waves coming from the router.
Okay.
The router then connects to a few other devices in your house, maybe your laptop, your smart TV, and even other computers. Together, they form a local area network. Easy stuff, no? But now, this router connects to a modem which transmits data through cables or airwaves to your internet service provider. Suddenly, you're part of a regional network with thousands of other computers doing the same thing. Your ISP then plugs into something much bigger, that's the national backbone. Just picture massive fiber optic cables stretching across the country, carrying data at the speed of light. These cables connect every ISP in the country, creating a nationwide web of smaller regional networks all talking to each other. Zoom out one more time and you'll see that this national network of ISPs rely on submarine cables lying on the ocean floor and satellites orbiting overhead to link globally. They basically do so by connecting to global exchange points, which are called Internet Exchange Points or
hold on, थोड़ा slow. I literally want to learn chat, but ये बहुत fast जा रहा है, isn't it? तुम लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ये सब कुछ?
XPs. That's how your phone connects to this global network and lets you send a message to someone all the way in Japan.
Right, I know.
And that's the internet. But you know what's really insane? Right now, as you're watching this, you think you're using the entirety of the internet, but you're not. You're using maybe 4% of it. The Google searches, the Instagram scrolling, these YouTube videos, and every website you've ever visited, all of it combined barely scratches the surface.
Right, I know.
Visible
True.
part, everything you can access through a search engine is called the surface web. It's clean, indexed, and visible. But it's really nothing compared to what lies beneath, which is the deep web. And it makes up about 94% of the internet. Not
What is deep web? Deep web का कोई एग्जांपल दो. सो 4chan क्या डीप वेब जैसा वेबसाइट होगा? क्योंकि 4chan मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द लोगों को पता ही नहीं है. समझे ना तुम? Did you know the longest word in I don't know ये क्या है? Do you guys know what is 4chan, right?
Don't worry, the deep web isn't just some scary criminal underworld. It's just private. Websites that haven't been discovered and indexed by crawlers, your emails, your cloud storage, that Google Doc you set to private, your Netflix account, even your online banking, they all sit isolated in the deep web, fully functional but inaccessible to others. But then there's the dark web. And this is where things get interesting or unsettling. The dark web is not really a specific part of the internet that exists somewhere or someplace. Rather, it refers to a bunch of websites hosted on various servers around the world that you cannot access without following protocol. That's all.
Okay.
So, how do you get access to these sites? You basically need specialized software like the Tor browser, which creates anonymity for you by passing you through layers of encryptions through a process called onion routing. Now, this process makes everything very hush-hush and untraceable and hence dark. They're not inherently evil, they're just exclusive. And believe it or not, it was created
by the US government.
Our goal was to create more secure internet communications for the government.
It's called Tor, and among other uses can help people navigate the so-called dark web, which is often used for criminal activity. But it's been revealed that government agencies are still sponsoring it. Illegal criminal activity.
So government को पता है इसके बारे में, right?
Imagine this. In the 1990s, researchers at the US Naval Research Lab had a problem. How do you communicate sensitive information online when everyone might be watching?
Right.
So they created Tor, the onion router. The problem was, if only government agents used the network, it would be obvious who was on it. All sensitive information would stick out like a sore thumb because that's the only traffic. So by 2002, DARPA, the same people who helped create the internet, made Tor public. The idea was to get millions of regular people to crowd the same network, essentially creating a cover for military personnel. This one little decision would go on to create an insane...
What the fuck? 4 सेकंड के लिए मेरी गांड फट गई. मैंने कहा ये क्या हुआ? फिर मैं देखा बटन दबाई धोखे से. असला अचानक से मेरी क्रिटिकल इंफॉर्मेशन की स्क्रीन पे आ गई कुछ. Imagine bro getting hacked cause of watching a dark web video.
Impact in global trade and communication in all sorts of ways. And we are going to cover the good, the bad, and the ugly of the dark web.
Okay. Nice video. W video chat. I like the video. Till now. बहुत ज़्यादा.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go to the dark web. So, what do we need?
ओके ये बता रहे हैं कि कैसे करना है. लेट्स गो चैट.
What are you guys doing? We don't need any of this. We just need a laptop and VPN.
Wait, that's it?
Yep. Just one last thing.
ओके Tor ब्राउजर डाउनलोड किया. ओके ये होगा फिर.
In the
Cool,
last
yeah.
few years, as AI's role in our lives exploded, software development
ऐड है ये ऐड है मुझे पता है मैडम.
completely free. So, if them for speaking out. 2010. The
Okay.
actually empowers people here. Okay, this is a list of some cool dark websites. There's a lot of political forums on here. People discussing national issues. There's also a lot of memes. I wonder if I get arrested for posting these. Now, despite its sinister reputation,
So
the
dark web
is
is,
quite
you know what, dark web is more aesthetic websites, isn't it? And लोग उसके ऊपर मीम डाल रही हैं. Cause it actually these website looks actually cool. Honestly, this is the internet जो मेरे को पसंद है. ना कि हद से ज़्यादा, you know, कहीं इधर फोटो कहीं उधर फोटो, हद से ज़्यादा सुंदर ना. This is aesthetic. This page, look at पीछे 01010101. Very simple. हर एक डिटेल इतने सेकंड पे इतने बजे ये मैसेज आया है.
powers people fighting against oppression, censorship, and surveillance around the globe. In fact, some of the bravest acts of modern journalism and activism have been made possible solely because of the anonymity the dark web provides. Let me take
Okay.
you back to 2010. The Arab Spring is erupting across the Middle East. Protesters in Tunisia, Egypt, Syria, they're facing governments that'll kill them for speaking out. Traditional internet, completely monitored. But Tor, that gave them a lifeline. Now jump to 2013. Edward Snowden is sitting in Hong Kong hotel room
Bro, what the fuck? The editing so cool,
with
right?
a bunch of documents that would expose the largest surveillance program in human history. How did he safely communicate with journalists without the NSA, his former employer, tracking him down? Tor.
Tor.
This anonymity has often acted as the backbone for a lot of journalistic intentions.
What the क्या था? Okay. Is only legal website. It's only legal website. Is only 2% of the dark web. I see. ये क्या है? Keep Europeans
So
clean
you
from
don't want people using the dark web.
Muslim. क्या लिखा था?
So you don't want people using the dark web because drugs, weapons, whatnot, but you also do because free speech.
Yeah. Irony.
Yeah. So dark web has a lot of free speech. People can say anything जो उनको कहना है. So it is kind of like जितना मैं अभी तक समझ पा रहा हूँ Reddit and 4chan but extremely खतरनाक. Right?
Is the defining trait of the dark web. Just look at Tor. The US government built it for interpersonal communication, except who uses it? Drug cartels, criminal organizations.
Snowden, like whistleblowers, journalists, and oftentimes these people are using it against the governments that built the thing.
Yeah. Ironic.
Yeah, that's ironic.
Yeah, so if you shut it down, you're actually risking destroying all of these legitimate users.
Yeah. I mean,
Yo, what's
after all
up,
this
Rich? What's up,
research,
good, man?
It really feels like the dark web as a place is. I mean, it's not as bad as people have made it out to be.
The bad. Okay. I don't understand anything. लेकिन वो म्यूजिक के साथ ऐसे दिखाया जा रहा है कि लाइक जो भी मेरे स्क्रीन पे आ रहा है इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेट्स सी व्हाट इट इज. Smallest possible yield of video is 10 kg. You can make reflector with increasing number of channels. Factions seems like to be man portable. It would be nuclear test in 1953.
Jesus Christ.
क्या था इसमें for the Jesus Christ? मैं समझा ही नहीं. Okay.
Oh shit. It has everything.
Sarin poison. Okay.
The anonymity
Damn.
of the dark web protects whistleblowers and dissidents from oppression,
Weapons.
yes, but it also incidentally protects some truly horrifying stuff. You know, about 57% of dark web content is illegal, and most of that are just drugs and weapons and whatnot, and the scale of all of it is staggering. Have you ever heard of the Silk Road? It was kind of like Amazon, but for all the illegal stuff. It was created in 2011 by a guy who called himself Dread Pirate Roberts.
I know Silk Road. I know ये website.
We'll call
Yes.
him by his real name. That's Ross Ulbricht.
I think right now he like इसको जेल हो गई थी फिर ये बच गया.
So in
That's
just
what
2
I heard.
years, his
Sayed.
site generated around 9.5 million bitcoins in sales. That's nearly $200 million made in illegal trade, most of which were from the sale of drugs. Luckily, law enforcement wasn't just sitting around watching this happen. The takedown of Silk Road actually reads like a spy thriller. So in mid-2011, the Department of Human Services in Baltimore received a tip about the Silk Road. This led to the formation of a multi-agency task force called the Marco Polo, which included the FBI, the DEA, the IRS, and many more. For months, these FBI agents posed as buyers brandishing large orders in order to map the site's operations. Through this process, they got introduced to all the Silk Road admins, and that led to the arrest of username Chronic Pain, real name Curtis Green, the site admin.
Okay.
This unlocked private communication logs and Bitcoin account records linked to Ross Ulbricht. After following a trail of breadcrumbs, Ross Ulbricht was arrested on October 1st, 2013 at a San Francisco public library. And get this, okay? He was caught red-handed while logged in as an admin on the Silk Road site and talking to someone he thought was a colleague, but was in fact an undercover agent.
Damn.
Fun fact, on 21st January 2025,
you
the
know
second day of
UNICC?
Trump's
Nahi, I don't know.
presidency,
What is that?
he pardoned Ross Ulbricht. And the ethics behind this decision are quite grey, but that's not part of our story. What is relevant to our story is that busting the Silk Road wasn't the end of dark web markets. The damn thing about the internet is that it's like a hydra's head. Shut down one side and 3 more pop up to take its place. So soon after, Silk Road 2.0 came about. Then came all sorts of clones, and finally, the big bad Alphabet. A darknet market that dwarfs Silk Road in scale and generated over $1 billion in sales. Keep it
$1 billion? $1 billion एक ऐसी वेबसाइट कमा रही है जो हमें पता भी नहीं है. This
in
is
mind,
crazy.
these are conservative figures. The real numbers could be way higher.
Yeah, maybe more than that. Yeah.
But drugs aren't the only thing you'll find there.
क्रेडिट मास्टर कार्ड जिसमें $3,000 है जो कि तुम सिर्फ $95 में खरीद सकते हो. सो दिस इज व्हाट कार्डिंग इज चैट. कार्डिंग राइट. सो ये होता है कार्डिंग कि तुम यहाँ से ओ माय गॉड.
I'm guessing these are stolen, right? Fake IDs, iPhones, hacking services. $500 a week. What the While
We offer many hitman services.
What?
Life ruining, acid attack, facial scar, oh my god, man.
What the While casually browsing through the dark web, you might come across your personal data. You know those massive corporate breaches you hear about? The data that gets stolen there all ends up for sale on the dark web, and it's shockingly cheap. Like, someone sold the personal information of 2.6 million Duolingo users for just $1,500.
Damn.
That's less than a rupee per person. And remember when LinkedIn got hacked in 2012, Yahoo in 2016? All those passwords ended up in dark web marketplaces in exchange for just peanuts. So what
Wow.
happens to all the stolen data once it hits the dark web? Who's buying it really?
Yeah.
It gets packaged into something called fulls. That's complete digital profiles containing everything about you.
I'm New Year. What's
These
up, Brawl?
vendors then
How
get
are
sold
you?
to cyber criminals who'll hit you with a barrage of phishing scams like fake job offers and investment opportunities. But the clever ones go for loan fraud. Basically, they'll apply for an instant loan using your details, and sure, they need an OTP to greenlight the loan. However, they have a fix for that too, and it's called a SIM swap scam. All they have to do is share your leaked KYC details and get a replacement SIM issued. The moment they activate that new SIM, yours goes dead. Now, every OTP that's meant for you flows straight to them.
What?
But criminals aren't the only buyers.
God, for the
Political groups
BMW. Thank you
also
so much, brother.
purchase
How
this
are
data
you?
for
Thank
voter
you so much,
profiling
man.
and targeted misinformation campaigns. In India, with WhatsApp being the largest university with zero admission requirements, manipulating public opinion can often be a byproduct of practices within the dark web. And if not political groups, data brokers also feast on these leaks to analyze your consumer behavior patterns and sell those insights to companies who want to nudge you toward their products. So maybe take it seriously when they say, hey, it's been 6 months, you should probably change your password. Oh, by the way, you can also check if you've been compromised at haveibeenpawned.com. See, safety measures aren't too hard, but
Have I been pawn.com? मतलब?
it does take a certain willingness on your part.
Karkov.
Okay, so I came
thank you
across
so
a
much for the
bunch
follow.
of different mafias. Mexican mafia, Beso mafia. There's a few onion websites. I
Have I
couldn't
been
find
pawned? Okay,
an Indian
okay.
mafia or a hitman site. But I'm
I
pretty
can
sure that if
check
you
मेरा
look hard
details
enough,
उसमें, right?
it's gonna be there.
I feel like 90% of the dark web is probably just like scams. I mean, think about it. It's called the dark
What you doing, bro?
web. You know, people
Bro, we are being very intellectual today. आज हम एक्चुअली में IPs वगैरह, डार्क वेब वगैरह हर एक चीज को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. We are being very, हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं टेक्निकली. इतनी देर से हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं रिया. है ना चैट? तुम बताओ.
expecting like some dark shit, and I feel like now that it has this reputation, it's just filled with a bunch like really gullible people who are like just getting scammed. Like I found like a bunch of websites where they're selling like organs.
Oh my
You know, I
god.
mean, just think about who needs organs, right? Like there's probably
Damn भाई.
somebody who's super desperate who needs medical help. They put in a ton of money, and then at the end of it, it's just some fake UI.
Yeah, they can't even report it because technically they'd be incriminating themselves.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It gets so much better, worse. I'm not sure. Like I found the cure to cancer, by the way. There's like
what he's saying is kind of rude. Imagine करो कि तुम्हें एक ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए लिवर चाहिए, ठीक है, राइट, बट डॉक्टर के पास है नहीं, बट तुम्हें ऑफर आता है कि डार्क वेब पे भाई इतने रुपए में मिल रहा है. अब वो रुपए बहुत एक्सट्रीम ज़्यादा है, बट अगर तुम वो नहीं लोगे तो तुम्हारे पास ऑलरेडी कोई दूसरा कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो तुम डार्क वेब से ले लेते हो. अब अगर वो लिवर ख़राब निकला और नकली निकला, तुम्हारा पैसा तो कट गया. अब तुम पुलिस को भी जाके जो है ना भाई बता नहीं सकते ये चीज़. तुम पुलिस को लाओगे तुमने ऐसे डार्क वेब से खरीदा तो पुलिस अपने आप भाई तुम्हें पकड़ लेगी. सो या इट इज़ काइंडा लाइक यू नो इफ यू ट्राई टू सी या
websites which are marketing like these
करिए फिर से YouTube पे
off-market,
डालेगा, yeah.
like experimental treatments.
Why
and
YouTube?
one of them is like the cure to cancer. But there's some scams I don't have a huge problem with. There's like good scams.
What's a good scam?
Like the hitman thing he was saying. Like basically anybody who signs up for a hitman service is a criminal, right? So I read that there's like ethical hackers who keep track of who monitor these hitman databases, and then they report their names to the cybercrime division.
ओ या दैट्स ऑल्सो ट्रू. लाइक इमेजिन करो तुम एक हिटमैन सर्विस हायर करो, लेकिन वो हिटमैन सर्विस एक तरीके से नकली हो. वो बस लेना चाहते हैं कि आखिर कौन कौन है जो कि हिटमैन सर्विसेज के लिए कर सकता है, और उनके पास तुम्हारा पूरा डेटा होगा और तुम्हें पकड़ लिया जाएगा. दैट्स अ स्मार्ट आइडिया चैट. हेलो, दैट्स अ स्मार्ट आइडिया भाई. इफ ऐसी चीजें हो रही है तो ठीक है भाई, समझ रहे. कॉस्ट लाइक इमेजिन करो तुम कितने ज्यादा गंदे इंसान हो सकते हो कि भाई तुम किसी के ऊपर हिटमैन असैसिनेशन ये सब करने के लिए किसी को पैसे दो.
Crazy.
Okay, check this out.
200 IQ for real, bro.
There is an important notice from Cybercrime Department. Your personal credential has been used on dark web continuously. If you do not report in 2 hours, we will take legal action against you.
What the heck?
So basically, last night I used my dad's laptop and I went to the dark web.
Smart.
Yeah, I don't know. And I think I was on Black Hat chat rooms. I was just seeing what people are speaking, what are they talking about, and 15 minutes later they kicked me out. I used Tor. I took an extra layer of VPN, and still the very next day my dad's gotten this call, which I don't know. It's just
Has to be a coincidence. Come on.
I don't feel like a coincidence. I don't know how do they get this number? Who's call? It's just a very odd.
I mean, it's pretty.
आई थिंक हो सकती है भाई गवर्नमेंट अब अभी हमारा लाइक साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज एक्चुअली दैट पावरफुल दैट पीपल नो कि व्हाट वी आर डूइंग ब्रो दैट चैट गवर्नमेंट नोज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग दैट इज व्हाई दे बैन गैमलिंग राइट दे नो मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एंड ऑल दैट थिंग इसीलिए उन्होंने बैन किया है राइट गवर्नमेंट पागल नहीं है और तुम्हें समझना पड़ेगा कि गवर्नमेंट में जो ये नई नई जॉब्स लग रही हैं ठीक है ना तो उसमें भी हमारी उम्र के ही लोग साइबर सिक्योरिटी वगैरह में जा रही हैं तो दीज पीपल आर स्मार्ट तो या दे नो व्हाट यू डूइंग ऑन इंटरनेट दे माइट नो लाइक व्हाट यू आर एक्सप्लोरिंग ठीक है एंड दैट इज व्हाई एआई इज मोर स्कैरियर ठीक है जिस कंट्री का एआई होगा वो कंट्री उस कंट्री गवर्नमेंट तुम्हारे बारे में हर एक इन्फॉर्मेशन रख सकती है समझे तुम क्या नहीं मतलब गूगल नोज एवरीथिंग तुम क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे हो आवाज से ही हो जाता है तो या गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं जान सकती
But was it just chat rooms, or did you find anything else?
No, there's a bunch of things I've come across, a bunch of websites that Achina can visit, but yeah, I got a glimpse of what's coming.
Is it bad?
Damn. Full video runner Namaskar reverse order gunman shooting shop but damn. Murder drug cartel member.
There's no way we can't show this. As troubling as
Murder society God
stolen
damn.
data and illicit marketplaces may sound, they pale in comparison to the bottom of the pit. Gore, violence, murder, snuff films, and whatnot are spread throughout the dark web. And at its absolute worst, the dark web has become a safe haven for human trafficking. To put it bluntly, there are entire forums dedicated solely to buying and selling humans. And the scale of this trade is honestly horrifying. According to the International Labour Organization, over 27.6 million people worldwide were found to be trapped in forced labor and sex trafficking networks in 2021. And many of these transactions are brokered on dark web platforms. A chilling report by Europol found that criminals routinely exploit dark web marketplaces to traffic human beings, often children, because it allows them to evade detection with devastating efficiency. Yet somehow, it gets worse. The dark web hosts extensive networks for child exploitation material operating with terrifying sophistication. A 2014 study found that more than 80% of all dark web visits were to child abuse content. This
Wow.
study underscores deeply unsettling patterns of human behavior.
With the cooperation of 32 countries, including South Korea and the
Dark web child porn arrest. Damn.
United States, authorities were able to track down those suspected of purchasing child
I mean yeah, मेजॉरिटी ये predators वगैरह आई गेस डार्क वेब पे जाके देखते होंगे भाई चीज़ें शायद इसीलिए वाओ चैट
pornography using cryptocurrency.
In 2019 alone, one of the largest child abuse sites, Welcome to Video, was shut down after authorities discovered more than 250,000 disturbing videos. And it gets worse. These videos were accessed and downloaded by over 1 million anonymous users worldwide.
Damn.
That is sickening. And I
Yeah.
expected entering the dark web makes
The
me
duality of
wonder
humans is real,
what
is so
kind of
common. I know, bro,
world
I know.
we're really in.
You know the fucked up problem is then we actually don't know the person we meet every single day वो रियल में कैसा है कैसा नहीं है और लाइक एवरीवन जो तुम आसपास में इधर जाते हो लोग ठीक है जिसके साथ घूमते हो जो आमने सामने दिखते हैं भाई हर किसी का एक अलग ही स्टोरी होता है उन्हीं में से ही तो लोग होते हैं जो भाई गलत हरकतें भी करते हैं तो या ह्यूमंस आर पता नहीं ऐसे
Okay, that was predictable. Like we knew this is what we'd find, right?
Yeah, but you were the one who said
डार्क वेब से ज़्यादा तो सरफेस वेब है राइट ना अगर तुम देखोगे या सरफेस वेब में लोग इतने गंदे हैं कि दे कैन मेक सम लाइक दे कैन लाइक वो एक सामने वाले बंदे को इतना परेशान कर सकते हैं कि वो सामने वाला बंदा डिप्रेस हो जाए यू अंडरस्टैंड आजकल का जो इंसान है ना जो सरफेस वेब पर ही है वो इंटरनेट तो ठीक है बट इंसान इतना गंदा बन गया है कि भाई उसने सरफेस वेब को भी जो है ना होलसम नहीं रखा पहले इंटरनेट वॉज वेरी गुड इंटरनेट पर कोई जाता था लोग को फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजते थे एंड दे यूज टू वेट फॉर 2 or 3 days चैट ठीक है कि वो फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट हो जाए देन फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट होती थी ग्रुप्स बनते थे इट वाज सो मच फन अगर मैं तुम्हें सही बताऊं तो अब इंटरनेट इज वेरी डिफरेंट. इट्स लाइक राइट नाउ हमें इंटरनेट पे जाना नहीं है, हमें जाना पड़ता है. अब हमारा जाने का मन नहीं है, बट हमारे पास कुछ और ऑप्शन भी नहीं है, ऐसे करके.
I mean, there's good and bad both, but I don't see it as any worse than the actual web or like 4chan or Live Leak.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
a huge market for
Because Live Leak and 4chan is very similar to what इन्होंने अभी तक अपनी वीडियो में दिखाया है, other than like you know this trafficking वाली चीज and other stuff, like you know वो चीजें नहीं होती है. But you see on a surface web also you can watch all these stuff. But I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some website on dark web like जो थोड़ी सी और भी अजीब होंगी. But they can't go इतना ज़्यादा cause then YouTube will ban the video, right? या YouTube like demonetize कर देगा वीडियो. That means अगर किसी ने actually में एक और भी अच्छे से dedicated वीडियो बनाई होगी on dark web जिसमें उस बंदे ने और भी ज़्यादा चीज़ें समझाई हैं रिलेटेड टू डार्क वेब, कुछ और वेबसाइट्स दिखाई हुई हैं, तो वो वीडियो हम कभी देख ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज यूट्यूब वॉन्ट अलाउ. एंड अभी तक इसने जितना भी दिखाया है दैट इज़ अगर कोई भी हद से ज़्यादा चैट, ठीक है ना, अगर कोई भी हद से ज़्यादा इंटरनेट यूज़ करता है जैसे कि तुम लोग में से बहुत सारे लोग यूज़ करते हैं, तुमने देखा होगा ये सारी चीज़ें हमने ऑलरेडी देख रखी हैं. इवन द गोर थिंग, रात के 3 बजे तुम ये यूज़ करोगे ना इंस्टाग्राम, राइट, एंड यू कैन चेक कि इंस्टाग्राम पे कितना गोर स्टफ आता है रात में, राइट. तुम समझ पा रहे हो चैट मेरे कहने का मतलब. दैट्स द थिंग, मेजरली सरफेस वेब ही दिखाया है अदर देन फ्यू थिंग्स जो कि सरफेस वेब पे नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah, when a market like this exists, it just propagates more of practicing this child exploitation, I guess.
Exactly. Creating supply, which is then increasing demand, which is then again increasing the supply.
You know, I read about this police manual that exists, and
I like कि कैसे ये लोग पूरा वो कर रहे हैं, like इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन. I like this thing.
basically like a detailed
जो भी है
report
ये
on how
good.
to investigate rape cases. It goes through everything from collecting forensics to identifying suspects, even like victim care. Guess where it ended up?
So that one, there's like locker rooms and
मैं
stuff. where
South
people
Park
are
देखता
discussing
हूँ
this police
for
manual,
real,
trying to
real.
figure out how to not get caught.
I was actually looking into the psychology of visiting the dark web. It's surprisingly well documented. Basically, people enter the dark web out of curiosity. But
I mean, obviously, people go to dark web because of curiosity only. That is why majority of the people on dark web are still the majority of the people मेरे according 16-17 year olds ही होंगे चाहे, या 15, 16, 17, 18 year olds, क्योंकि वो उम्र में like हमें चेक करना होता है कि what is dark web, this and that. 26, 27 वाले थोड़ा सा कम जाते हैं, and then older people maybe. That's what I think. समझे?
when they end up there, they find a space where the most taboo topics are normalized. So it initially it really liberates them, but eventually it ends up emboldening the user.
Emboldening.
I'm guessing in this context, it's
Embottling. What is the meaning of embottling, chat?
it normalizes the darkest thoughts, intrusive thoughts, impulses.
Which
Yeah.
then increases the brain's demand for those thoughts.
Yeah, so see what I think, how does dark web works? Okay, इंसान के लिए तुम देखो दोस्तों, कितना भी पॉलिटिक्स में बिलीव करते हो या ना करते हो, जैसे ही तुम्हारी और उम्र बढ़ेगी, तुमने पैसे ऐसे कमाना स्टार्ट किया, तुमने और चीजें स्टार्ट करी, तो तुम्हें समझ में आएगा कि शिट, मेरा बहुत ज्यादा पैसा तो टैक्सेस में जा रहा है, लाइक ये देखो ये लोग सही काम नहीं कर रही हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रही हैं, एंड फॉर सम रीजन अब तुम एक बायसनेस रखने लगोगे, एक ओपिनियन रखने लगोगे ऑन एवरी सिंगल थिंग, with the musics, with the movies, with the food, with like you know every single thing. तुम्हें पता होगा ये चीज़ तुम्हारे साथ होती है, ठीक है ना. एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है कि लाइक ये लोग जो भी डार्क वेब पे आई गेस जाते हैं ना, स्टार्टिंग में तुमने देखा ना, सबसे पहले पॉलिटिकल चीजें या पास्ट की कुछ हिस्ट्री की चीजें दिखाई गई, ठीक है. मे भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो लोग भी डार्क वेब पे जाता है वहां पे लोग देखते हो कि यार दैट इज व्हाट आई फील, ठीक है, बस मैं बोलता नहीं हूँ इतना, तो उसको थोड़ा ऐसा फील होता होगा कि शिट दीज गाइज आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रियल ट्रूथ एंड ऑल, एंड वो फिर उसमें फंस जाता होगा, ठीक है, एंड देन उनके लोग इनसे बातचीत करते होंगे, समथिंग लाइक दैट. समझे गाइज?
Then increases your brain supply of those thoughts.
Which then sends you down a spiral. So the dark web is basically a
Do
concept
viral?
that
Not right
allows
now,
the
man.
most evil and the most nastiest of thoughts to fester.
Okay, but is it good or bad? Like, which direction do we take it? Like, I want to figure out what tone do we want to take for the video.
Yeah, and for the audience.
It's same as like you know I think the surface web. It depends how you are using it, honestly, ठीक है ना. But यार वहाँ पे there's so much exposure to bad stuff that you can like you know get into that bad stuff. तो सीन है, गंदगी के पास जाओगे तो एक चीटा तुम्हारे ऊपर तो पड़ेगा दोस्तों, चाहे आप कितने भी साफ सुथरे हों. समझे ना तो मेरे कहने का मतलब चैट. सो दैट्स द थिंग. तो आप गंदगी के पास जाओ ही मत, चाहे लाइक वो कैसी भी हो.
When they watch this video, what's the takeaway really?
It's not that. It's not that. It's not that. They can literally just say that dark web is overrated and सबका इंटरेस्ट चला जाएगा. कोई भी डार्क वेब से नहीं जाएगा देन इनकी ऑडियंस में से. मैं भी नहीं जाऊंगा. जस्ट एक ट्रेंड चलने लगे कि डार्क वेब तो बस ओवररेटेड चीज है, कुछ है नहीं. समझे ना, लूजर्स का एक एरिया है. ऐसे करके कुछ भी ऐसा हो जाए तो लोग का इंटरेस्ट चला जाएगा भाई. एंड जिनको डार्क वेब में काम करना है भाई ठीक है.
The strangest thing about dark web is that it's full of paradoxes. It's like a carnival mirror held up to humanity, reflecting our most heroic instincts alongside our darkest impulses, often at the very same time. So, take this as a stark warning. The dark web is not a playground for casual curiosity. It's not merely forbidden territory, it's dangerous. And exposure to the ecosystem down there can actually alter your psychology. Unless you're a whistleblower or part of a network with journalistic intentions, it is not worth going into the dark web. So please do not try this at home.
I'll try this at home right now. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Epic video, chat. Epic video. I like the video.
What if you could dump your ex?
But honestly, I wanted more information इसमें और भी चीजें देखने के लिए.